Hello! Hello, Facebook. I have an announcement to make. Basically, what I need to say is that I've joined a band. We've been working really hard for the last couple of months, practicing, recording, trying to put out our album, and we're at that point now where we're ready to take the next step. We're ready to put our stuff online, make our SoundCloud page, make our YouTube, and gain an actual following. But before we become YouTube famous, rock stars and all that, other stuff. I want you guys to meet the band. So, without further ado, here they are. Hi. So yeah, that's the band, and we're gonna play a short piece for you guys. It's the intro to a song, a cover that we're doing. It's a cover of a Rudy Valley song. Bonus points to whoever can guess what it is. I'm gonna be playing bass. Uno is gonna be doing the keyboards, and Trace is going to be on drums.